Welcome to the ArmaniTalks YouTube channel. I'm your host, ArmaniTalks. In this channel, I'm covering communication skills for you to level up your way with words, become much more articulate. In today's episode, I'm going to be talking about group chats. I understand the logical reason for group chats because when you are growing up, you go from your 20s to your 30s to your 40s, you are not going to be living in the same geographic location as a lot of your friends. So when you guys are physically separated, how do you guys keep in touch? Through the group chat. This is a powerful way to share memes with one another, share messages, go back and forth, and create some memories. So I understand the logical reasons for group chats. But me, based on experience, I am one of the worst people to add on a group chat because I am rarely going to contribute. Now here's the thing. I start off with noble intentions. A lot of the times I am the one who suggests a group chat because I had such a fun weekend with a couple of my buddies that I'm like, man, I don't want this weekend to end. Let's start this group chat. Let's make sure that we stay in touch until the next time. So we start off talking. Everything is going smooth. I am hyper engaged in this group chat along with every person that is on this group chat. But one day, something happens. Maybe I have a meeting and I don't read the group chat for roughly 3 hours. And within those 3 hours, so much has happened. People are cracking joke after joke, line after line, story after story. And I don't have the time to read all of it. Instead, I just see big, bulky paragraph after paragraph. I try in the beginning to read it, try to catch up, but then I get wiped out with all these messages. And this just happens time and time again. Imagine that you are on 5 group chats where the same thing keeps on happening. Eventually, you get analysis paralysis. You are thinking, do I read this? Do I read that? Do I just act like I was busy these past 3 to 5 hours and just start over new? What do I do? So that is one of the reasons that I unfortunately am not the best group chat member. I actually tell people right before they're about to add me, hey, don't add me. Because when you add me and I don't say anything, because I know for a fact what's going to happen, you guys are going to chat a lot and eventually there's going to be one day when I haven't checked out these messages in a while and now I'm just getting overwhelmed with all of these messages that I'm not going to respond. And then later on, there are multiple days, if not weeks, when I'm not responding. The other people in the group chat, they're going to say, how come Armani never talks in this group chat? I don't want these weird moments. So don't even add me anymore. Okay, don't even add me. I understand the value of group chats. And here is a brilliant idea for any engineer out there that plays around with AI. Before I give you this idea, I just wanted to tell you where I got this idea from. I recently got Gemini Pro, where I spend roughly $20 a month for the highest package you can get on Google Gemini. And this does a couple of great things. One, I have my personal AI tool, and it also connects with all of my other Google tools. For example, my Google Mail. And now I have way more storage on my Google Mail, so I don't have to keep on deleting emails every now and then. And another feature that Gemini does with my Google Gmail is that it summarizes a lot of my emails. So every now and then I will get an email and I'm thinking, okay, do I read this whole thing? But Gemini on the top summarizes the entire email. So now I just need to read a snippet and I am caught up to speed. Why doesn't someone get an idea like this summarizing tool, and put it on group chats? It's specifically designed just for group chats. And you could link it with WhatsApp, with GroupMe, with text group chats. So now, if I am participating for a long time, and then I leave to a meeting for roughly 3 to 5 hours, and I come back, rather than reading all these different messages, I just have a summary of what went down. Now I could easily plug myself back in to this group chat and keep on participating. And it's even cooler if they say, hey, your name was mentioned 3 times. And you find out where your name was mentioned rather than someone mentioning you and you can't even spot it because there's so many messages. This is just an idea. Someone who is watching this should get an AI tool that they connect specifically for group chats, and this will lead to a lot of value. Plenty of people will stay in touch. As we start getting older, one thing that we are going to learn is that relationships do not often break apart because of malice. It breaks apart due to distance. And one great way for friendships to continue despite distance is through group chats. But right now, there is a barrier. Too many messages. So someone create that summarizing tool, and I guarantee you, you will create and maintain a lot of friendships along the way. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll catch you next time.